What's up, Instagram? Lately, I've been getting a lot of questions regarding my filmmaking career. It started over 10 years ago. I loved making little home videos with a little camcorder. Then during my Disney days, I was always with the camera operators and the directors. They would tell me, "You're gonna be a director one day, watch." Then me and my brother shot our first music video. We had a lot of creative control, but we actually didn't film it. And the reason I wanted to make our own videos is because I wanted to operate with the camera. So I had to get the gear. I talked to my buddy. He helped me get my first camera. We decided on my first lens set. I went with the Rokinon Cine DS. I did a lot of projects with these, and they actually did the job. But I wanted to move up as a filmmaker. So I reached out to Rokinon. They sent me the Rokinon Xeen set. These are my babies, because I wanted to do more serious work. And now I can with these. When I show up to a set with these bad boys, people instantly think I'm legit. In this day and age, perception is key. So, as you know, I'm very excited with these lenses. If you guys are starting your filmmaking career, minimal budget, Rokinon Cine DS. If you have the budget, Rokinon Xeen is the way to go. Can't wait to see what you guys make.